So, and then during yet another profiling session, I found out the culprit. So it wasn't the database query, it wasn't a giant JSON serialization, it wasn't even bad code, it was transactional. So transactional is like duct tape, easy to slap on, holds things together, but start using it everywhere and suddenly you build your entire house out of a duct tape. And duct tape is not steel. Our team has Sparkle transitional on every single service method. So because just in case, like putting on a raincoat in the desert, sweaty, unnecessary, and eventually smelly. So every transactional spin up a proxy intercepts calls, and it starts transactional even for the read-only operation and plays nice with the underlying platform transaction manager. So this is not free. I mean, in fact, when your app is handling thousands of requests per second, that free starts looking like a premium Netflix subscription you never wanted. So while profiling, I noticed that the 40% of the execution time was being eaten up by the transaction overhead for methods that did not even modify the database. So imagine paying a toll every time you drive past the bridge without even crossing it. So I decided to try something radical, removing transactional from read-only methods. So the replacement is like instead of blindly slapping transactional everywhere, I marked only write operations in the transactional. For read heavy operation, I removed it entirely or used. So even better for some performance critical paths, I ditched Spring transactional management entirely and let the repository method handle what they need. So in that results, it got 50% faster for the some endpoints, CPU load cut in half, and users stopped sending me the site down Slack messages. So the reality now, before you run grep r transactional at the rate and go on a